Hi, this is Phil Cooke with a quick tip about the power of showing up. You know, the first time I ever spoke in public was because I was just there. I was there helping, volunteering behind the scenes. I've told this story before, but I was setting up chairs. And a high-powered speaker couldn't be there. He'd missed his connection. He wasn't going to make the talk that afternoon. And it was a panel discussion, and they were missing a vital part of the panel. And so somebody looked at me and said, Phil, you're a television producer. You're producing a national weekly program. Why don't you step in and do it? I'd never spoken before publicly. I'd never been a conference speaker. I'd never done anything like that. But because I was there, I got the opportunity to do my first panel discussion. So I stepped up, I did it. It was really remarkable. I had a great time. People responded really well, but it would have never happened had I not been there working behind the scenes trying to help the conference. So let me tell you, just be there. If you want to start publicly speaking, don't talk about getting an agent. Don't worry about convincing people how awesome you are. Start maybe volunteering at some key conferences. Start working behind the scenes. Just be there, meet people, let them know what your area of expertise is, and you know what? Before long, the power of showing up will help you and will step you up to the place you need to be. The power of showing up, I'll tell you, it's real and it can make a big difference in your future.